Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open RAR files on Windows 11. So here's the RAR file which I want to go and open and ultimately go and extract and get the files out of. As you can see, I will hover over and it's definitely a RAR file. So the first thing we need to do is actually go and get some free software. So all we need to do is go and open up any web browser. I just use Google Chrome as it's what I usually use, but you can use any browser. And then what you want to do is go and search for something called 7-zip. So type it in 7 and then zip. Literally, that's it. And this is a free software, so make sure you go to the official website, which is 7zip.org, like so. Then at the top, we've got the downloads. So in this case, I've got a 64-bit system, so I'm just going to go and tap on download, like so, and then download will begin. Then what we need to do is go to find your downloads. So go to the bottom of your computer and go and open it up, the file explorer, and go to the downloads folder. So go over to the left hand side and go and tap on downloads like this, and then at the top we've got the 7-zip installer. So go and double tap on it like so, and I won't be able to record this, but you get a Windows security pop-up and you just need to go through the setup. It's really simple. I've already installed it. Then once you have installed it, all you then need to do is go to right click on the RAR file which you want to go and open up and extract. Right click on it like this, and then go to the bottom. Through it says show more options. Then what you need to do is go and hover over 7-zip like this, and then go down to extract to open this. So this is going to go and create a brand new folder with everything, and to tap on it like so, and it should take a moment, and then it's going to go and create this folder. And as you can see, here it is. It's now appeared that, and that's it. I can then go and open it up, and this has got everything in which was in a RAR file, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.